Hi everyone, I just wanted to come on this platform and talk about what happened Friday night. I was assaulted by someone I loved, and now I'm going through the judicial process in a foreign country. And for my own safety, I won't be doing any lives right now or recording any videos until the process is over and I can go back home. I was really excited for my birthday live that I was going to do for you guys, but I unfortunately I can't do it anymore. I hope to be home soon and I'll be able to meet all of you like I was so excited to. And I also wanted to take advantage of my diverse platform. I have men and women from all over the world who I think can also be going through a similar situation. Unfortunately, it's something that's very common in the world, and I just wanted to say that I don't feel ashamed or embarrassed at all about any of this, and the only person I think should feel ashamed is the person that hurt me. And it's the same for anyone that's going through the same situation. There's no reason to feel ashamed. There's no reason to feel embarrassed because it wasn't your fault. I feel really lucky and grateful for all of the support from you guys, from the story I posted yesterday. It's helped a lot to feel so much love and support and to feel like I can continue doing what I love despite anything else going on in my life. And I feel really grateful. I have so much love in my life and I have the opportunity to leave. I have the financial ability to leave and people who support me in my life so that I don't have to stay in a situation like this. And I just wanted to let anyone know out there of my audience, men or women, that you're not alone, that I'm here for you, that your loved ones, your family, they are there for you. If not, there are so many kind people in the world, truly kind-hearted people who are there for you. There's so much support. You just need to ask for it. Ask for help. No matter how violent it was, no matter how many times it's happened, because no matter how small the first incident was, the second time could be the time that he tries. And please just tell someone. If you're going through something like this, please just tell someone before it gets to the point of no return. And it is unfair. It's very unfair that not only for me, but for any person who's gone through the same thing. So I just really, the one thing I wish for with all my heart is for this to not happen to anyone else. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here talking to you guys about my experience. I think the only thing that matters is for you to see me now and for you to see that it's not my fault. I did nothing to deserve this, and you didn't either. Please just use this comment section to bring support to each other, whether you're a man or a woman, no matter what. If you're going through a situation where someone is physically hurting you or just abusing you in any way, start talking, and maybe start talking here. If you need to, I'm here for you. And I want to be the support of anyone who needs it, just like you guys were the support when I needed it.
Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk to you about noises and sounds. This podcast is for beginner English listeners. There are certain noises and sounds that make me feel irritated. And there are certain noises and sounds that make me feel happy or peaceful. Gentle sounds like the rain falling or the waves crashing make me feel very calm and peaceful. The sound of being underwater in the ocean or a pool. I love the crackling noise of the water when I'm underwater. I also love the sound of the breeze, the wind blowing the trees, even the wind blowing the wind chimes. The wind chimes can make music with only wind. I love taking a nap outside in the hammock. A hammock is my favorite place to take a nap, especially if I'm outside listening to the breeze and hearing the waves crashing. But any water sounds in general, I really enjoy listening to. Anything that has to do with water or rain, I love listening to. What's a soothing sound or noise that you enjoy hearing? A soothing, gentle, peaceful noise. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I will continue speaking about the sounds and noises that I listen to. The trickling rain, different gentle and soft sounds give me goosebumps. What's a sound that gives you goosebumps? Sometimes I get the chills. The chills is when you get goosebumps. Are there any sounds that give you goosebumps or the chills? And are there any sounds that remind you of a certain place or person? For example, there is this one man who goes around on his bicycle and he blows a whistle and he sells camotes. He sells a sweet treat in Mexico. So, whenever I hear that whistle, I know he's here. Or another example, when the garbage collectors come to take my trash or my garbage or my recycled material, they ring a bell, ding, 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 to tell me that they are here. So I run, I get all my trash, all my recycled things, and I put them outside. Then he boom, 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 rings his bell and takes my trash. What sounds remind you of a certain person or maybe a service that somebody does in your town? Some sounds even make me feel nostalgic. I miss people or places or moments from listening to a song or hearing a certain phrase. Different things can make me feel nostalgic. What's a song or noise or sound that makes you feel nostalgic? Remember, a noise is more like something that's not so good. A sound is usually good, and music is with rhythm, like a song.